So friends, let's start with this beautiful Goan Nachni pudding. It's super easy and really delicious and healthy. Now here I've taken 200 grams which just costs 10 rupees of this Ragi or Nachni. Now you're going to wash it really well till you get clear water. So I washed it thrice under running water and keep washing it till the water comes nice and clear like this. Now I'm going to soak it in 3 cups of water for at least 7 hours. After 7 hours, you will see that the nachni or the ragi has almost absorbed all the water. So you're going to grind this with half a cup of water. Now you're going to extract as much nachni juice or ragi milk as much as you can. So just put a sieve or a sift over another vessel and just press it down with your hands or with a spatula till you can extract as much juice as possible. Repeat this process twice or thrice till you get a very dry husk in your hand, like you'll see in the video. So I did this almost 3 to 4 times till I was able to extract as much of the juice as possible. You can even tie it in a muslin cloth and squeeze out all the juice, but I found this method much more easier. Whatever's comfortable for you. So every time just add a little bit of water and repeat the process till you get a very dry husk. So like you can see over here, again I'm adding a little bit of water. Again I'm grinding it and again I'm repeating the process. And now you can see that the nachni is very dry. You cannot extract any more of it. So you can either put this in your plants or you can discard it. So now we have as much nachni milk as possible that we can get from this much amount of nachni. This is a very healthy pudding. Now I'm going to grind 2 cups of coconut with half a cup of water, and again we're going to extract coconut milk. The nachni and the coconut milk are ready, so they are about 1.5 cup each. And I have 1.5 cup of grated jaggery or gur which I'm going to add to the nachni milk, and I'm going to soak it for 10 minutes till this jaggery or gur or gourd completely dissolves. Now I'm going to keep the flame on very low and I'm going to add this mixture to this pot. Now most of the jaggery has already dissolved, but with the heat it will dissolve completely. So now mix this really well together till all of the jaggery completely melts, and then you're going to add the coconut milk. And I'm going to add just 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder, cardamom powder to give it that extra lovely flavor. And now keep stirring everything really well together. I know this is a little bit of a tedious job of extracting the nachni milk, but it's really worth it at the end because it's such a healthy pudding. Instead of having artificial stuff and stuff which have got a lot of preservatives, this is much easier. Now I'm also going to add half a cup of cashew nuts as it starts to thicken, and now you will see it looks like a thick porridge. This took me about 5 minutes. Now I've just greased a 7x7 cake tin with some ghee or clarified butter. I'm going to transfer this into the ghee tin, the grease tin. Get all of that inside there using a nice spatula. Even it out, and now you're going to let it set for some time. You can keep it in the refrigerator or you can keep it outside, but I'm going to refrigerate it for 7 to 8 hours or overnight till it becomes nice and thick. And after that you're just going to demold it. Just run a nice sharp knife through the edges, invert it over a plate, and you can see that it easily comes out. And then just cut it up into small cubes or triangles, whatever you like, and enjoy this healthy pudding. I hope you like this recipe, guys, and I hope you give it a try. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.